Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again, LeadManX. So basically today what we will be talking about is more about what is affiliate marketing. So basically the definition of affiliate marketing is where you promote someone else's product, and if someone buys the product you promote, you get 10% or up to 100% commission. Second definition, affiliate marketing is where you are inspired to help people solve whatever problem they may facing right now. Affiliate marketing is the easiest way to start an online business. Why I say easiest? Because you are promoting other people's product. Second, meaning you don't need to focus on anything like product creation, customer support, web designing, web development, coding, and a lot of more stuff. So basically, the only things that you need is to drive customer buyers to an affiliate product. It is easiest way, but a lot of people fail in this business because they ignore the fundamental. Choose a niche that you love. The reason behind this is simple but important. When you love what you do, it is no longer a chore. You will be creating content around this subject for a long time, so you will not find it easier if you found a niche that you love. Choosing a platform to communicate. The second step is having a platform to communicate with your audience or to your customers. This would involve social media and creating your own website to publish your content. Creating valuable contents. Content is the most important to achieve success. You need traffic, and that comes through creating value contents. Delivering value to target audience is very crucial to achieve success. Next, you are here to help, not to sell. You must understand that. Always remember that doing affiliate marketing is not about selling a product. It is about helping people solve their problem. If you want to successfully in this business, then learn how to help people. That is the very crucial in affiliate marketing. Now that you have the 4 important points, fundamental to become successful affiliate marketers, start action now. Learn how to build your affiliate marketing business for free. If you want to know more, type free courses below, and I will be happy to help you out with your affiliate marketing journey. So thanks for looking at my channel. Hope you will learn something about it. If you have more questions, do drop me a message and comment, and I will actually reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching my channel. Have a great day. Bye everyone.